Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial I will show you how to add dates or days to your trip you have created with the Tripadvisor app. Just go to the app and click on trips, and here is one of my trips. So under the title you can click on add dates or days. If you choose to add date, then you will just have to click on the first day of the trip and then click on the day you will leave and then tap on apply at the bottom of the page. Now you can see the date here, but if you would like to give here only the days of the trip, not the exact date, then tap on it again and switch to trip length and click on the plus sign like 4 days and click on apply. And now you can see only the number of the days. That's basically it. I hope it helps.